Welcome back to the channel. Thank everybody for stopping by and checking out this video. I do know that it has been a minute since I've uploaded a recent video. I did have a couple tucked away just in case, and I'm glad that I did. As you can see, I am filling up with boxes. I am trying to get those out. But today I am doing a collab with Confidence Plus. I will put her channel right here. I will also link it down in the description box. Please do excuse my voice. I will try to pause the video if I do have a coughing fit, but I pushed myself to get back on top of things for my channel. I feel like I'm so far behind, and looking behind me, I see why I feel like I'm behind. Anyway, the collab that I'm doing today is the Copycat Show Me How You Celeb Challenge. This is Confidence has a wheel of celebrities, beauty gurus, movie stars, singers, actresses, the whole 9 yards. She spun and told us who we won and who we were supposed to recreate. I got Cher, so I am going to try to recreate her look. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm going to try to do the older, or I guess the younger version of Cher. I will also put this picture up right here just so that y'all can see. She didn't really do a whole lot as far as makeup. And I was going to put a wig on today for the long hair. But guys, I'm just not feeling it. I did have to back out of the Blue Blood collab with Get This Glowing and Flawed and Fabulous, Makeup with Jessica Vargas, and It's Amanda. And I felt horrible about that. So I was not going to allow myself to not meet a quota deadline. I'm not usually one that signs up to do something and then doesn't follow through. But as most of y'all know, my father was in the hospital. He did have the flu. I did get the flu also. I don't know if it was being in isolation with him or just the simple fact of being in the hospital period. So I am still rather dehydrated. My lips are dry and crusty and nasty, and I've already lip scrubbed them, so that is what we're working with. I did moisturize with the Juno Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. I love this. Still love it. It's an amazing hydrating moisturizer. So that is what I went ahead and moisturized with. So yeah, I will try to speed this up a little bit so that it's not so long. I will also put a picture on Instagram. I do want to say thank you very much for all of the people that reached out to me when my dad was in the hospital. And then after I got sick, the people that kept reaching out to me. This is the video of ums. It really does make you feel, I don't know if special's the word to use, but it makes you feel good to know that people actually care to take the time out of their day to see if you're okay, how your family's doing. My dad being in the hospital was very scary. We went through this same ordeal kind of 8 years ago. And at that time, I about lost him. This one, I won't say wasn't as bad because he's the one that said, yes, please call an ambulance. My dad is a Vietnam veteran. He does not do hospitals. He was shot in the back in Vietnam. He did many, many, many days of laying on his stomach in a VA hospital with bad doctors, bad health care. So he does not do hospitals. So for him to say, yes, call me an ambulance, it was pretty bad. And I no longer have my grandparents, so anytime something happens or goes on with mom and dad, it worries me. And being the oldest makes it that much worse. Anyway, I greatly appreciate everybody that reached out to see how I was doing and how he was doing. So let's go ahead and get back into this collab. Like I said, this is a collab with Confidence Plus. If you don't have her, please do go check her out. I've had her for a while now. I brought in the new year with her. She is an amazing person. I just love her. She does late night straight jacket confessions on her channel with Miss Bella, who I just adore. I adore both of them. Confidence's husband also has a channel. He does scratchers. But yeah, if you don't have her, go check her out. There's that stupid mirror back there. I don't know what to do about that thing. Anyway, that is who this collab is with. I just adore her. Do go check her out. Let her know that I sent you. I know that there are other people doing this collab also. I don't know if everybody did a video, but I figure if I'm going to sit here and do a look, why not put it on video and have content at the same time? That's just my way of thinking. Okay, so there's that. I am trying to use some of the products that we got in our past couple months from Boxycharm. I have decided I am going to go back in and do a follow-up kind of every quarter. And look through Boxycharm items and what I'm still using, what I'm not using, what I gave away, what I never opened, that kind of thing. But I am using products from there today. So Cher, I love Cher. I love her music. I love her attitude. I don't think I could have asked for somebody better to have been picked for me. But recreating it, I don't quite know. But we're going to give it a shot. Alright. And like I said, she wasn't real big on makeup in her younger years, which is a bonus for me. Ugh. I swear if I did not cover myself with powder, it would not be my video. Every time. Do y'all laugh at home when I do that? Because, boy, I laugh. When I first started and did it, it was totally embarrassing. It's like, oh my goodness. But now I just laugh about it. Which you should. So many people take so many things so serious, and it's really not. It's really not as serious as everybody makes it out to be. Yes, I know I have not oiled my chair. It is still squeaking. But apparently that's just how we're going to roll right now. Alright, so there's that. I always sit down with no mirror. It's actually kind of nice here today. Dogs are outside, so I'm sure you will hear them. Okay. Alright, so now we have eyebrows. My lights hate me. Anybody else's lights hate them. Okay, maybe that'll do it. Alright, so like I said, she didn't wear a whole lot of makeup. I am going to just bronze my skin a little bit. Just to give it a little bit of color. Since I already am sick. Try not to make it look that way all the way around. I think Cher is amazing. She's an amazing actress, singer, whole 9 yards. She's got it together. Like I said, I was going to do a wig, and I'm just not feeling it, guys. I am so sorry. I am usually one that brings the game, but I feel like I've already played and I need to sit out. If that makes any sense whatsoever. Okay. I'm also going to put on a little bit of blush. and then just the ever so slightest of highlight. Daddy just come home and took the other dogs to town so I could finish filming. And of course my little dog is out in the kitchen and got left out of the bedroom. So she's tippy-tap-tapping out there. Alright, I'm going to use this little Sephora palette. Candy Sass sent this to me. These are the colors in it, and I am going to use this grayish color, to do my eyes. It's not like it is now. With 5 to 8 different colors. It's pretty much a one color you're done kind of thing. So I'm still going to leave it the Cher black dark eyes. But just in a gray. I do have another collab coming up with the Bloodlust palette. As you can see, I got mine this morning. I haven't even played in it yet. But I can't wait to. There's actually a couple of palettes over here that I haven't even stuck my fingers in. I did get a PR box. I haven't done anything with but open and show on Instagram. I feel horrible. I didn't even know it was coming, and then not to have done it yet is just not like me. But I've been sick, and I keep telling myself that it doesn't really matter. You know, we are our biggest critics. I feel like it should have been done. But in all honesty, I feel like I did great today just getting up and taking a shower. So I know I will get back to normal. But it feels like it's taken forever. Alright. And that is simply all we are doing with the eyes as far as eyeshadow. I'm going to use the No Tug It Cosmetics eyeliner in brown. I do know that this is a challenge and there will be a winner. I don't know how you go and vote. I do apologize for not having my information together. But I'm sure if you do go over and check out Confidence's page, it will be on there somewhere. I greatly appreciate your vote. And if not, that's okay too. It's for fun, which is why I do the collabs. I think that they're great fun. You get to meet other people, other channels, just the connection and the support, positivity, all of that is why I do it. I love being on here and doing YouTube and videos, makeup, reviews, looks. I love all of that. And yeah, I've got my 1,000 subscribers, but we're not monetized yet. And I'm sure the money's nice and all, but I just enjoy doing this. It's fun. It's very therapeutic for me. And I meet so many new, interesting people. I did go and purchase a couple of things from Profusion. I'd never used that brand before. I've heard people talk of it, but I'd never used it. I'm going to use their lip liner and lipstick today. I did get a cheek face palette and then an eyeshadow palette that I will be going over at some point. Sorry guys, I gotta get my leg up. But today I'm just going to use the lip products. I will tell you they smell great. It smells like chocolate. Just a neutral, nudie lip. Make sure I don't have none on my teeth. Alright, so I'm going to pause y'all. I'm going to straighten my hair real quick. And then we'll come back and wrap up this video. Alright guys, so there we go. That is my representation of what I think Cher would look like. Or does look like, did look like, with me recreating it with my facial features and everything. I do think that the wig would have helped, but at the same time, I am still trying to grow my hair out, so anytime I don't have to compress it down in a wig, I am A-okay with it. So this is our look. I will take some close-ups to show y'all, but yeah, I think it came out very decent. Thank you for watching the video. Please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. Do go over and check out Confidence's channel. I just adore her. I think you will too. Any of the other channels that have done a video on this, check them out too. Give support to everybody. 15-minute videos, 25-minute videos, you can spare that. I mean, it's not that much to ask. We put a lot of hard work into our videos, so watching them really does help us. So that's it. That is my video. This is my Cher impression. I do think that it turned out rather well. I know that I don't have her bone structure, but I still think it came out fairly neat. So, thank you. And until we see each other again, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.